Jemida, did you have fun yesterday? No. You didn't like Easter? But you got to wear a dress and take pictures.
Teacher.
Pictures.
That's it.
You look sexy.
That's it.
You look sexy. Can you say sexy? Say it. Sexy. I'm feeling sexy. Say it, buddy. I'm feeling sexy. Are you feeling sexy? Yeah, you already know. You already know. Yeah, you picking your boogers. All right, say bye. Bye, Potty.
Bye.
Bye.